The queen scene. It's time for Elsa to be crowned Queen of Arendelle. There may be many things needed for the ceremony. Let's see how many of each item might have to be sent to the castle. Take the correct answer to fill in the blank.
The correct answer to fill in the blank. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 glasses on the table. There are 1, 2, 3 spoons. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of cake. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures on the wall. There are 1, 2 crowns.
Super duper. Carve and count. Elsa is organizing an ice carving contest. There must be ice blocks and tools for all the participants. Let's practice counting and learn how to manage many items. Pick the correct option based on the instructions provided.
The correct option based on the instruction provided. The option with 6 snowballs. The option with 7 ice bricks. The option with 3 ice cubes. The option with 4 trophies. The option with 4 hammers.
Okay, let's check. You did it! Oh, great job! Spooky night! It's sleepover time! Olaf wants to find a spooky room to spend the night. He might spot a lot of things on the way. Let's see what he might come across. Match the following by counting the objects in the
Match the following by counting the objects in the pictures. 4 lamps, 2 pillows, 3 chairs, 4 doors, 6 eggs, 2 socks.
sketch stories. Oh no, Woody has been kidnapped. Buzz and the other toys are trying to sketch out a rescue plan. They might make a list of things in ascending order of importance. Tick the set which are in ascending order.
The set which is in ascending order. 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 4, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 8. 1, 5, 7, 8.
Okay, let's check. Good job. Buzz, Rex, Pam, and Slinky Dog are heading to Al's toy barn to rescue Woody. Take the path with numbers in ascending order, starting from 1.
Take the path with numbers in ascending order starting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14,
Okay, let's check.
15.
Al's plot. Woody finds out that Al wants to collect toys to sell them to a museum in Japan. Al's pile of toys might be increasing by the day. Take the correct set of numbers in ascending order.
Pick the correct set of numbers in ascending order. 1, 4, 5, 8. 0, 2, 3, 7. 1, 4, 6, 9. 7, 8, 9.
Alright, let's check. Super duper. Al's plot. Woody finds out that Al wants to collect toys to sell them to a museum in Japan. Al's pile of toys might be increasing by the day. Take the missing number to complete the set in ascending order.
Pick the missing number to complete the set in ascending order. 2, 6, blank, 9, 8. 0, 4, 5, blank, 7. Blank, 3, 6, 8, 1. Blank, 4, 7, 9, 2.
Okay, let's check. Great job! Toy count. Al must know exactly how many toys he has before he sells them to the museum in Japan. Tick the correct answer based on the questions provided.
Pick the correct answer based on the questions provided. What comes right before 4? 3. What comes right after 6? 7. What lies between 1 and 3? 2. What comes right after 5? 6.
Okay, let's check. You did it! Oh, great job! Toy count. Al must know exactly how many toys he has before he sells them to the museum in Japan. Tick the correct answer based on the questions provided.
What lies between 5 and 7? 6. What comes right after 7? 8. What lies between 3 and 5? 4. What lies between 8 and 10? 9. What comes right after 13? 14. What lies between 14 and 16? 15.
Okay, let's check. Super duper. Journey to Japan. Al needs to get to the airport with his toys for his flight to Japan. Find the right path of numbers in ascending order, starting
Find
from
the
2.
right path of numbers in ascending order starting from 2. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,